Relatively simple repair of the Wheeleez tire. First of all, you'll be happy to note that the Wheeleez tire is substantially tough and is very puncture resistant, as you'll see here that I'm having difficulty penetrating it with a very sharp knife. Most likely source of air loss you'll encounter is the pinhole, and I'm designated that with the push pin here, or the small cut, which I've designated and marked with this knife. The pinhole is most easily repaired using a typical benchtop soldering iron or portable butane soldering iron. Simply hold the hot soldering iron tip to the puncture and make a heat smoothing repair, moving the material gently, melting it over the hole and effectively sealing it. Not much material is required to be moved, and when you're finished with the repair, you can hardly notice that there was any damage at all. A more challenging repair is the patching of a small cut. This is a half cutaway section tire, so to do that, naturally the air will be out of the tire. You pinch the cut and run the hot tip of the soldering iron down the length of the cut. This starts the sealing from the inside of the cut, and as you gradually release the pressure of your pinch, it will allow the cut edges to come together, and when you've fully released, you have once again a very faint scar, and you heat smooth and repair the material over the cut, and once again you can barely detect that any repair was made. Should you ever encounter a severe slash, you can attempt that repair, but this is more than likely you'll need to purchase a new tire, because this is a lot of material to try to hold back together the length of this type of a cut. Very rare that this occurs. More common will be the small cut or the puncture, but once again, Wheeleez tires are very puncture resistant. I cannot stick this knife through it. And that's it. Tools needed: marker to mark your repair, soldering iron, bench top like this model, or in the field with a portable butane.